Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about will lizard eat dog. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click notification bell so that you can receive updates of my videos when it's uploaded and also help my channel grow. Now big lizards can definitely kill small dogs and they can eat them. It's a very common thing, but small lizards obviously are not going to attack a dog. Now, dogs are also really aggressive. They have weapons like the sharp tooth, they have a nice claws, so they can defend themselves pretty well. But big lizards can kill dogs because of various ways. Now, big lizards like monitor lizards may not be able to match up against bigger dogs, but they can definitely kill smaller dogs that you have as a pet. And because of that, these lizards actually pose threat to pet dogs and even to wild dogs, that street dogs that roam around in your streets. So it's a very big thing, especially Komodo dragon. Now this Komodo dragon is much bigger than usually almost all of the monitor lizards, if not all. Komodo dragon is a very big species of lizards, and they can hunt down and kill even bigger sized or average sized dogs. But even a Komodo dragon can kill a German Shepherd. Now there are few ways how a Komodo dragon hunt. Is their ability to hunt what makes them so successful in killing bigger prey, because Komodo dragon are seen to kill water buffalo who are much bigger than their size, and they cannot take them head on in a single fight, but they have a special strategy. That is, they have venom in their saliva, and because of that, if they bite some creature, bite any animals, after some time that animal is bound to die if not treated on time. And because when that happens, the Komodo dragon is going to find that prey and then they will devour it. And because of this trait, they can kill a dog, even bigger sized dogs. But in a head-on fight, it can be difficult even for the Komodo dragon to fight and win against bigger dogs, because even dogs are very aggressive and they fight very aggressively. But they can definitely harm a dog if the dogs comes in the place of a Komodo dragon. And if there are a lot of Komodo dragons, then it could be a game over for even for the bigger dogs, because they have really violent. Even Komodo dragons are really violent, and they can kill even bigger dogs if they are in numbers. But a head-on single individual Komodo dragon is also capable of enough to kill a big dog, but it won't be that easy. The poison that the venom that they have, they are going to use that on the dog, and eventually that might kill them. But for smaller dogs, the Komodo dragon will directly attack them and then just drag him to the place where they can eat them. And for bigger dogs, that may not always be the case, but they will injure them and wait for the dog to die, and then the Komodo dragon will go and devour them. Now, because of this trait, can be very dangerous if a Komodo dragon is roaming around in a place where humans are living, because there are a lot of dogs that live with us, and there are a lot of street dogs that live over there. Now, street dogs are not entirely aware of what Komodo dragon is, because they are not always seeing a Komodo dragon all the time in that places. They will definitely gather around the Komodo dragon and start barking. And if during that time the Komodo dragon desires to attack the dog, or if by chance the dog gets too close to the Komodo dragon and the Komodo dragon is attacked by taking that opportunity, then it can be lethal for the dog. Now, Komodo dragon have a very powerful bite. You cannot underestimate a Komodo dragon's bite just because they are like that, just because it's a lizard. And they have powerful enough bite to actually kill the dog by a single bite. Especially the street dogs, even though they are moderately big, I wouldn't say that they're really small, but even they cannot defend themselves if they are fighting against a Komodo dragon head on. And especially they will be, either if they are lucky, they will be able to survive for a short while unless the venom starts acting. But if they are not lucky, then the Komodo dragon will actually kill them. That striking on the neck and their head can actually kill the dog instantly almost, and Komodo dragon are really good at that. But it won't be that easy. It will be a really tough fight, and the dog have enough power to fight against this kind of lizards. But if there are a lot of dogs, especially the trained dogs, then it can be really difficult for a Komodo dragon, because trained dogs can attack in a very sequential way and a very trained way, so it can be difficult for the Komodo dragon to take them on. But the thief matter over here is that Komodo dragon can cause severe damage to any kind of dog, regardless of their training, because as I mentioned before, they have venom, and a single bite from them can be lethal to any kind of animal. So because of that reason, it's always better to keep your dogs away from Komodo dragon if there is Komodo dragon nearby, or allow at least few of the dogs, 5 to 6 of them, to intimidate the Komodo dragon and keep them Komodo dragon out of that place. Otherwise, the Komodo dragon can actually harm the dog. Now, usually Komodo dragon comes into human territory for eating food of different places, different kind of, because they might have got taste of it. There is an easy prey over there. They eat small animals, and if they think that there are a lot of foods in the human territory, they will just keep on coming. And they can travel a long distance for the sake of food, and they have a really good sense of smell. So hiding from them is really difficult, especially if they are in a place where there is a lot of food, because they will be tracking around and they know, they're intelligent enough, they know when to move and when not to move. So because of that reason, they have a really good hunting tactics. They can find and track any kind of prey that they want to hunt and then can get to it. They can travel a long distance to just get them, and they can track this because of this incredible sense of smell, and they can find and particularly track that kind of prey that they want to eat. Now, if this kind of Komodo dragons are seen in the human territory, is definitely call some authority to take care of that, call the animal care or whatever. Just call them and take care, let them take care of the Komodo dragon. By any means, don't go near the Komodo dragon, because a single bite from them will not only be painful, but it will be a lethal one, because it will be, they are really good predators and they know how to hunt even bigger animals. So humans are also no match for Komodo dragon. So keep your distance away from Komodo dragon. If you see Komodo dragon in those areas, definitely know the authority, because that's the best thing that you can do to stop yourself and your dog from getting harmed by this kind of bigger lizards. The smaller lizards are not usually that harmful to this dog. Of course, the dogs can also eat smaller lizards. There are many kind of lizards out there, the smaller ones, the bigger ones, and there are also many kind of dogs out there, the smaller ones, the bigger ones. So the smaller lizards are really small, so even the smaller dog can actually hunt them down. But the bigger lizards are so big that they can hunt down almost medium to even the big sized dogs because of their venom. And because of this reason, the smaller lizard has no chance of fighting against bigger dogs or even the smaller dogs, but the bigger lizard can actually hunt down even bigger dogs. So if there is a fight between this kind of situation, and then it's really hard to tell who is going to survive, because there are high chances that the dog is going to die in that fight head on. But it won't be easy for the Komodo dragon, but they can do it because they have enough bite force to actually grab and drag them to the corners for where they can eat them. Now they are like a full-fledged predator, so there is no way you should underestimate a Komodo dragon, because they're really powerful and they have the venom, which is really a very good thing that they have. And they have, their skin is also tough, so it won't be that easy to actually bite them and just kill them all right off, because the skin is really tough and are habituated in fighting with each other. So they have that powerful skin that can even stop them from getting injured while they are fighting against another Komodo dragon. Now the bite force is really strong, much stronger than the dog itself. So the dog's bite may not be even effective on the Komodo dragon in most cases. But then again, dogs also fight really aggressively. They can do some damage if they're biting in the vital parts of the Komodo dragon. But in this kind of fight, it's really hard to say who will survive in a short fight. But in a long way, the Komodo dragon is gonna win because of the venom. So that's it for this video. I hope you find something helpful from this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I am uploading 2 videos every single week. There is on Monday and Friday. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can receive updates of my videos when it is uploaded. Thank you.